A sneeze begins when your nose detects an irritant, such as dust or pollen. This triggers nerve endings in your nasal passages to send a signal to the brain. The brain then orchestrates a complex response to expel the intruder. Your breathing muscles contract, your eyes close, and your tongue presses against the roof of your mouth, building up pressure in your chest. The diaphragm and abdominal muscles drive a powerful burst of air out through your nose and mouth at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. This sudden expulsion helps clear the irritant from your nasal passages, providing relief and protection from potential invaders. Sneezing is a protective reflex, showcasing the remarkable coordination and efficiency of your body's defense mechanisms.